For decades, the Honda Goldwing has defined what it means to tour in comfort, luxury, and style. It's not just a motorcycle, it's an experience. Now, for 2025, Honda has unveiled a new evolution of this legendary machine, the Goldwing GCT. Standing for Goldwing Grand Comfort Touring, the GCT version pushes the limits of long-distance riding even further. Combining high-end technology, increased rider comfort, and smoother performance, this new model is set to change how riders think about grand touring motorcycles in the modern age. What's new in the GCT? The 2025 Goldwing GCT isn't just a facelift, it's a complete rethinking of the Goldwing platform. Honda has focused on refining rider ergonomics, integrating smart technologies, and enhancing performance for long-haul journeys. While it retains the same platform as the outgoing model, the GCT version introduces several key upgrades: a revised suspension system, a redesigned seat configuration for both rider and passenger, and updated electronics that bring new levels of convenience and personalization. Simply put, this isn't just a better Goldwing, it's a smarter one. The powertrain, smooth as silk. Under the fairing, the Goldwing GCT is still powered by Honda's flat 6 cubic centimeters engine, now further refined for 2025. Honda engineers have fine-tuned the throttle response for even smoother acceleration, especially in touring and rain modes. The 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, DCT, has also been upgraded to deliver quicker, more seamless shifts, making the ride feel even more effortless. A slight bump in torque improves two-up performance and roll-on acceleration at highway speeds, while maintaining the incredible fuel efficiency that the Goldwing has become known for. It's an engine that blends muscle with manners, a rare combination. Grand comfort, redefined. Comfort has always been at the heart of the Goldwing, and the GCT takes it to the next level. The new multi-layer memory foam seat offers improved lumbar support and pressure distribution for long-distance endurance. The passenger backrest is now adjustable with heated side bolsters, turning long rides into something resembling a first-class flight. Honda has also increased wind protection by enlarging the electronically adjustable windscreen and redesigning the fairing for smoother airflow around the rider. Add in heated grips and seats, and you're looking at a touring setup that makes every mile feel like luxury. Technology that knows you. One of the most exciting upgrades in the GCT model is Honda's all-new RideSense adaptive system. This suite of smart technology includes adaptive cruise control, blind spot detection, collision warning, and lane assist, all packaged into a system that learns and adapts to rider behavior. The 2025 model also includes an upgraded 12.3-inch touchscreen TFT display, full Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, voice command support, and a customizable digital dashboard. Bluetooth helmet pairing, satellite navigation with real-time traffic, and wireless phone charging are all standard features, because in 2025, touring should be both powerful and personal. Suspension and handling, big, but nimble. While the Goldwing has always been a large bike, the GCT handles more like a sport touring machine than a heavyweight cruiser. The revised front double wishbone suspension absorbs bumps with grace, while providing precise steering and stability at speed. The electronically adjustable rear suspension now offers auto-load balancing, adjusting preload based on passenger and luggage weight. Whether you're carving through mountain passes or gliding down interstates, the GCT feels planted, predictable, and confident, traits not often associated with bikes this size, yet perfectly executed by Honda. Storage, touring features, and practicality. For a bike designed to cross continents, storage is crucial. The 2025 Goldwing GCT offers increased cargo space, with larger saddlebags and a redesigned top case that can now comfortably store 2 full-face helmets. Power-assisted lid closures, integrated LED lighting inside the compartments, and a keyless locking system make loading and unloading smooth and secure. The onboard reverse gear and walking mode remain invaluable tools for maneuvering the bike in tight spaces, especially when fully loaded. Honda has clearly thought about the rider's real-world touring needs in every detail. Who is the Goldwing GCT for? The Goldwing GCT isn't for adrenaline junkies chasing lap times, it's for riders who appreciate the journey more than the destination. It's ideal for couples who love to explore in comfort, solo adventurers looking to escape for weeks on end, or seasoned riders who want the best that modern touring has to offer. With its combination of technology, comfort, performance, and Honda's bulletproof reliability, the GCT is a bike that doesn't ask you to compromise, it simply delivers everything you could want in a touring motorcycle. Final thoughts. The 2025 Honda Goldwing GCT represents the pinnacle of luxury touring. It's a machine built for the open road, crafted with precision, and designed around the rider's every need. By blending performance with plush comfort, and technology with tradition, Honda has created a bike that doesn't just meet expectations, it redefines them. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a cross-country expedition, the Goldwing GCT